Hi, my name is Pitmaster Lee, and these are my three assistants, Jason, Caleb, and Nejla. And today we're going to teach you how to make some bomb ribs. In order to make these amazing ribs, you're going to have a rack of beef ribs, a mixing bowl, a spoon, some measuring cups, sugar, paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and ground cayenne powder. You're also going to need some tongs in case you need to flip the ribs once in a while, and some mitts. So in order to make your ribs, you're going to have to use a variety of spices in order to make a dry rub that you're going to apply to your ribs. First, we're going to use a half cup of sugar. You want to put all your ingredients in a big bowl that you can mix everything in, because it's a lot easier. So next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of paprika. Now this spice will add a lot of heat to your dry rub. After that, you want to measure out 3 tablespoons of salt. Doesn't really have to be completely exact, but just eye it. It'll be fine. So after you add your 3 tablespoons of salt, you want to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So next, you're going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder. So you want to measure this out very carefully. There you go. And after that, you want to add 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Alright, so after that, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. So it's about this much. Now that chili powder is probably going to give you a lot more heat. So after that, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of ground cayenne pepper. Now this cayenne pepper is also going to add a lot of spice to your dry rub. You can adjust any of these proportions to meet your taste buds, because everyone has different taste buds, right? So here's this. Now after you add all your spices together, you're going to want to mix it up. Make sure it's mixed well, so you don't have a concentration of too many spices in one place. Proportions we use, this is how our dry rub turned out, and yours should look similar if you use the proportions that we used. Alright, so now we're going to be applying the rub that we made onto the beef. So you want to get the rub and apply it generously onto the meat. You want to pack it in between. You know, massage it in, make the meat feel happy. This is your meat, you're gonna eat it, and it has to be really happy. The happier the meat, the better it's gonna taste. So here I am, just applying it generously, and I flip it to the other side. You can't have one side be happy. You have to have both sides happy. So I know this just looks like bone, but trust me, just the more rub you use, the happier your meat's gonna be. So after you apply the rub, it should look something like this on this side, and on the other side like this. This is one happy rib.
So now we're at the grill, and just wait 5 to 10 minutes for the rub to soak into the ribs. So after letting your rub soak into the ribs, we preheated our oven to about 300 degrees. And after 5 minutes, while the grill heats up, it's around 320 right now. So that's like a perfect time to put in your ribs. So now you just put the ribs in. I like to put it face down, so it grills the top part faster. And now we have to wait every hour just to see how it cooks, and just wait to see how it is. So it's been about 15 minutes since we put the ribs in, and just a reminder to leave the cover down so the temperature is constant and the ribs cook properly. So it's been an hour since we first put the ribs in the grill, and you could tell that the seasoning's spreading throughout the ribs, and you know, it's only the first hour, so we have to wait 2 more hours for it to fully cook. So this is the second hour since it's been in the grill, and it's time to flip over the ribs. Okay, so now we're done. It's been 3 hours, and we've checked every hour. So like, you could turn off the grill, and put it on your platter, and now you're ready to eat.
Now it's time to eat.
Thank you for watching.